Today we learn about tenses. Tense refers to the grammatical category that indicates the time at which a verb's action or state of being occurs. In English, there are three primary tenses: past, present, and future. Past tense describes an action that happened in the past. Examples: I walked to the store yesterday. She cooked dinner for her family last night. They visited Paris last summer. He finished his homework before watching TV. Present tense describe actions or events that are currently happening or are generally true. Examples: I walked to the store. She cooks dinner for us every night. They play basketball together every week. The sun sets over the horizon every evening. Future tense describe actions or events that will happen in the future. Examples: I will walk to the store tomorrow. They will play basketball together on Friday. The movie will start in an hour. The storm will hit the coast next week.